So you ready for another cool box? Yep. I think that is yes. So again, what's up guys? How's it going today? We have yet another box of Akibento that we're finally caught up on. And of course, usually I always check Akibento to see what the themes are, but I've been so busy with work. This is the only way I found out what the themes are, is been opening these boxes. So now we get to check. And first thing is, y'all get to see what's in the box before we do, so I gotta make sure I can't see. Can y'all see? Alright. At least it's only the shirt. I can't see the graphic to the shirt. Pen went somewhere. Okay. Transform. Yeah, I don't think it'd be that transform. I understand. So that's a cool pin. Since the shirt is next, we have, and these shirts do have a nice feel to them, nice soft material. But even on a hot day in Louisiana, not good when that hot sun gets you sweating. So here we go. Got a good look at this, and we got. Oh, that's a pretty decent graphic. I like that. Okay. What we got? Oh, another. We got a keychain. Which one's this one? Okay. Oh, a vampire one. Trinity Blood. I think I have this on my watch list. So looks like I've got a lot of watching to do. Funimation. There we go, guys. Since I haven't watched someone yet, comment down below if you have, and let me know the character. Alright. Up next. Right, guys. This here is Little Kitty Z. You want to say hi, kitty? I'm sure everyone wants to get a nice close-up here. Hey, don't give me that face. Oh, looks like Kitty Z ready to go. All right, there you go. Here. What we got next? Okay, we got a box. Is this coasters? I think so. Kitty shedding all the fur on you. Ooh, okay, this one's a little tricky. There we go. That's pretty cool. Coasters. It doesn't have name of anyone in here, so this could be just exclusives. Would you know? Yeah, I think it might be exclusive. Or that. If you know it, guys, go ahead and comment below, please. Now, these are freaky. Oh, I heard Buddy Z gasp. Something must be good. What is it? Ooh, no wonder transform. Gundam. What we got? Let's see if I can get this little package open. So there we go. And it shows the possibilities. Who grew up watching Gundam? Yeah. Got it here. You guys grew up on a lot of good stuff, then you were definitely raised right on the right kind of anime and cartoons. Okay. Okay. This one, a little tricky bag. If it takes me a while, you'll see the quick edit to the next spot.
The gun was off.
Yeah, it's like Legos, but
Softer.
very, very soft. Okay, and yeah.
Ding fell off again.
Yeah, at the end, I'll show a little picture on there, but sorry, couldn't get good established, guys. You'll see it. I'll post it up right now. Okay, that's everything. So we have left. What we got next? Ooh, this looks like it's an LED light. Akibento exclusive. Must be something Buddy Z likes. If we had a thing to plug the USB in, we'd light it up for you. I'll probably throw in a picture of it lit up. So this is pretty cool. Is that everything, buddy? The cheat sheet is up next. Transform. And another little quick glam shot. You had 110 Claymore Trinity blood items, and that was the keychain. Then you had the exclusive coasters, and then there was the Akibento exclusive LED light, which I think will look cool. 1 of 5 Build Gundam minifigures, which you'll see the low glam shot of that one too. The monthly pin, and the shirt. Okay, and it goes like this. Y'all see the awesomeness to it. So,
Too bad we didn't with that one.
yeah, that one would have been awesome. I'm gonna look on Macari. Definitely. Try and get the whole set, guys. So, there we go. Finally caught up on Akibento review. As Buddy Z is reviewing everything, I hope you've enjoyed everything. And as always, if you're new, you love it, go ahead and subscribe. Hit notification bell. You'll always see when there's the next upload. Give me some likes. Get this video up there in the analytics. Give me some comments so we can have, back and forth feedback with each other. Y'all take it easy, guys. And as always, I'm J. Paul. We got Buddy Z. Peace out.